Yes, this is Jik Jik. Yeah, hello. We're gonna play Tumbang Preso. Hey. Okay, 3. Oh my God. If this part per, who will be tag? Yes. We're gonna pick who is the tagger. Yes. Me or Adam. Guys, pick Adam. No, pick Jik Jik. Guys, pick Adam. Subscribe if you pick Adam. Like if you pick Jik Jik. Subscribe if you pick Adam. Oh my God. Guys, Adam is actually on fire. No. Just good. No. You just got my seed. No. Me first. Wah! You gonna tayo on that thing. Magic show. I will go this thing. It's so hot. Wait, Adam. I'm not. Let's go far. We're gonna be far. Let's do the far. Me first. Splice. Oh, that's close. It's bouncing. Too close. This rock bounce. If I hit this, we're gonna go normal. You first. If I hit that, we will go there. Ow! Bro, got teleported. No! What you wish? Basic. Wait. We will go far again. Jik. Oh. Wait. I wish that I will hit that. It's so hot. Normal. Nah. Okay. I did too. I hope the sun goes away. Okay, let's go here. Let's go normal. Yeah. Normal. Okay. Tama. Not dito. Why? Get the light. So hot. Not enough. No, I will go home. I will post this thing to get. That's okay. Let's continue. Continue. That is not hot. Yes, sir. Go. Let's go far. Okay, let's go. We're not gonna continue. Wait, I will post this thing. Oh my goodness. This is so hot. We're gonna continue things. Wait, okay, I will post this thing. The sun goes away. Bye-bye. We're gonna end this thing. Yes. See you on part 4. Yes. It's gonna start until later. Yeah. Later 5 p.m. Wow. No. No, we're gonna 3. No. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Ito sweaty.